To you, my dear, I send this Remy from Royal Hills, where love's sublime in every heart, a spark dying, a bond that stands the test of time in gardens where the roses bloom amidst the scent of sweet perfume. I dream of love that's pure and true, a love I share with all of you beneath the moon's soft silver glow, where quiet streams of passion flow. We find a world where hearts can share and cherish what we most adore in every glance and tender touch, a love that means so very much, with loyalty that never fades in golden light and gentle shades for love, my friends, as royalty's crown, a treasure that we glad have found in every smile and whispered world, a melody that's gently heard. So join me in this royal dance where arts unite and souls enhance in love. We find our trust, grace, a royal bond in every place with every beat. This heart does sing of love's eternal, wondrous spring. Together, let us celebrate a love so pure or royal. Fate message me now. I am the king of Dubai, and this is my son here. He has been crying since yesterday. He has not eaten anything and do not know why, and he was telling me something that his wife, that he wants to get married to. She is no longer messaging him again or calling him, that he does not know why. If you know you love my son so much, and you want him to be your husband, all I have to tell you right now is that message him now so that he can be happy. He told me that you are listening to what people are telling you. Why will you be believing this? That people are telling you. You have to know that B he is your husband, that he loves you so much. So, my dear, please stop listening to what people are telling you. Okay, come back to your husband's life, please. He miss you so much. If he has offended you, I am being you right now as an old man. I am forgive him. Okay, we were planning on now to come and get married to you, but right now